This is my Mark III AHU TDI, and I am having map sensor codes and boost issues with my car. So instead of running, this line goes to the ECU. The map sensor is located internally in the ECU, and then run a boost line all the way there. But I want to replace that, and instead of just replacing it, I got an upgrade. So here is a Mark IV ALH style map sensor, and it's the upgraded 3-bar. So I'm going to be installing that in my charge pipe here. So let's pop it off. Just like that. Now I'm going to drill a hole. Bang! Just like that. I ran bolts all the way through to the other side. And then RTV, everything. It should be sealed up good. Now this sensor being located where the actual air is, instead of a line ran all the way to the ECU, this should be way more accurate. And now I just gotta wire it up. Now to wire it up, since I don't have a plug for this sensor, I bought one. Here's the part number. But yeah, so now this just will clip in there, and I gotta run 3 of these wires to the ECU. So once you're inside the ECU, you can see here's the map sensor with the hose going to it. This is what we're gonna be deleting and soldering in the new wires that come from the new map sensor. Now take your precision cutters and snip those 3 pins on the bottom there as high up as possible. So this is the final product. Still not sure if it's gonna work or not yet, but I used a green, a black, and a red wire. Red to the first one, green to the middle one, black to the back one. I got it all wired up and I started it and it seemed all good. I have to drive it to see if the codes come back, but now I will show you in pin 1, wire 1 on there is the black wire, the ground. So that is the back pin in the ECU. And then pin 3 is the red wire, which is the front pin in the ECU. And pin 4 on the sensor is the green one, which is the middle pin in the ECU. So 5 volt from ECU. Green wire sends boost pressure back to the ECU, info for the boost pressure, and then black is a ground. Now I'm gonna make it all look nice, reroute my wiring. I can completely delete this hose now, and I'll take it for a drive and see if the codes go away. Yeah, so there you have it. Other than the gray silicone RTV, it looks factory. And now I'm gonna take it for a drive and see if it fixed the codes.